There are a ton of consumers out there who want to make a payment or resolve their account, whether it's through a dispute, but they just don't feel comfortable calling someone on the other end of the line. More and more people want to receive that text message, want to be able to view their account on their own terms, see it in front of them. And what we've seen is that as a result of doing so, the recovery rates have increased by 50 to 70%.
That's definitely the final cut.
Okay, awesome.
Hi, my name is Ola, and I am a Customer Success Manager here at Sinch. We are currently in Austin, Texas, visiting one of my favorite customers, Avtal. Let's go chat.
I'm Khaled Bittar. I'm the CEO of Avtal. Avtal is a platform that helps agencies and creditors collect on delinquent accounts, which often is the consumer not knowing that they had a delinquent account because the only communication they had previously received is from a call center or paper mail. We help our clients reach our consumers where they want to be reached. The email and text are our two most important channels. The consumer is able to get a link to an easy-to-use pay portal where they can look at their options to resolve their account. Last month, we sent 7 million messages through Sinch. We anticipate sending over 20 million monthly messages by the end of 2025.
I love messages.
Thank you. Being with someone who was direct to the carriers was critical for us. Because we're in a heavily regulated industry, the compliance side was really important. Sinch had a reputation for being the leader in compliance, so it made it a pretty easy choice for us to work with Sinch. So Sinch helps us with 10 DLC registration with short code registration, making sure that everything is compliant and carrier approved, and then they actually help us send those messages and think through the pros and cons of how we're going to send those messages, whether it's SMS, whether it's MMS, and RCS, which they will help us deploy soon.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
On the support side, we get amazingly quick responses from Ola and her team. We also have very personalized service, which keeps the human element even at a big company. So the service is something that's been amazing so far.
Makes me happy to hear.
Okay, so this is the consumer portal. The consumer received a text message in this case, clicked the link to the easy-to-use pay portal. The consumer in this case preferred a payment plan where they pay $18.33 on the 30th of every month with 9 installments to clear their balance.
This is what the end user is seeing. It's showing a lot of information, and it's very straight to the point. No, it looks great.
Thank you. I've heard it's great in financial services to have that verified RCS agent and that logo up top for consumer trust.
The branding and having your logo in there carries on that trust that the consumer has already with you, and now seeing that in the RCS messages, that'll just take it to the next level.